Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of the year. It's Friday, the 16th of July, and as you can see, we're here for Year 4's final presentation assembly of the year and Child of the Year. So towards the end of the assembly, we'll be talking about Child of the Year in each of those classes and special plaque awarded to each of those children who've been Child of the Year for this whole year. We're going to start off though with some certificates. So let's have a little look at these. Look at these. Mr. Bennett's English stars. These guys have been working so hard on their English throughout this term and actually throughout the year, but they've excelled this term. We've got Ryan, we've got Claudia, we've got Michael, and we've got Layla. Absolutely superb. Stand up guys, come on, let's give them a massive cheer. Enjoy taking those certificates home today. I know everyone's going to be really proud of you. You guys, I know, are ready for Year 5, and Year 5 teachers are ready for you guys as well, so well done. Reading stars, now look at these guys. Look, Botan, Andrea, Abby, and Lena, working so hard on their reading every single day, completing reading records, lots and lots of reading records, but no, they're just absolutely super. Whenever you see them, they've got their head in a book and reading non-stop. They're going to take home a little reading book as well to enjoy over the summer holiday with your certificates as well, so let's give them a massive cheer in class. Well done, guys. Ah, look, look at these PE stars. So we've got Olivia, we've got Gemma, we've got Bentley, and we've got Alex. Absolutely excelled at sports day with massive smiles on their faces. They enjoyed everything, whether they won medals or not. These guys have massive smiles on their faces, but they're brilliant in PE and games lessons, listening to instructions, following those instructions, but being absolutely just brilliant throughout. So well done, you four. Enjoy your certificates, you superstars. Our math stars, look at these mathematicians, look at the smiles on these guys' faces. It just makes Mr. Allen smile. It is infectious, but it is brilliant, and they are brilliant in their maths. It's Blake, we've got Alana, we've got Amelia, and we've got Tyler. Really well done, you mathematician, and it is really amazing to see the maths. Blake, your maths is brilliant, buddy, so really you've come on so much throughout this year, and especially this term. So well done to you four mathematicians, and keep that up when you get into Year 5, you superstars. Here we go, look at these English stars. Oh, look at these. So Miss Barrett's English stars. I know these guys are working so hard on their English. We've got Mason, we've got Bella, we've got Doreen, and we've got Ellie. You absolute superstars. Amazing English stars. Keep up that writing, keep working really hard on writing. Do a little bit over the summer, keep going. So when you get to Year 5, hit the ground running. You really impress those Year 5 teachers. Well done, guys. Let's give them a massive cheer. So our math stars, look at these. So we've got Cameron, we've got Eliza, we've got Reggie, we've got Jessica, working so hard on their maths mastery and absolutely ready because the maths that they're doing is Year 5 maths. I know that, so these guys are absolutely ready for Year 5. So well done, guys. Come on, stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Really well done, you mathematician superstars. Well done. Moving on. Look at these reading stars. Again, reading every single day, and through this summer term, have really excelled at that and done brilliantly. So we've got, look, Caleb, we've got Mia, we've got Alicia, and we've got Jake. Well done, guys. Not only are you getting the certificate, obviously you're getting a little reading book as well to enjoy over the summer holidays as well. So keep that up and maybe even try the reading challenge at the library. So get yourself a certificate and a gold medal ready, okay? Because that's what you can earn if you just got to read 6 books over the summer. So get down to the library and then start the reading challenge as well that Mr. Allen spoke about in assembly. Well done, guys. Moving on. Look at these PE stars. Now these guys absolutely excelled at sports day, but they do in their PE and their games lesson, and they give their all. So we've got Jessica, we've got Lily, we've got Kobe, and we've got Riley. Look at Riley, look, big smile on your face. Well done, guys. Super, really well done. Now, wherever they came in sports, whether they won medals or not, there was still a massive smile on the face, but they competed really well and just give it their all, but also supported all their friends. They are amazing PE stars, so well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Moving on. House points, look at this, house points. Look at these house points that you guys have been earning. It is phenomenal. We've got in Mr. Pinner's class, we've got Olivia on 113, Alana on 122, and Claudia just ahead on 124. Well done, guys, topping the air. In Miss Barrett's, we've got, look, Reggie, 100. Well done, Reggie. Mia, 111, and out of the top, 120, Eliza. You 6, come on, stand up. Let's give them a massive cheer, guys. Really well done. It's a massive number of house points. So proud of you. Just keep that up when you get into Year 6. Keep earning all those merits. Superstars, well done. Attendance league. Oh, let's have a little look. See, I know Mr. Pinner's been struggling here, so let's have a look where we're heading on the attendance league. Look. Oh, there he is. Oh, both classes. Look, 13th and 12th. Year 4s. Guys, in Year 5, you have to get better at attending. We have to have a much better Year 5 from you guys, okay? Come on, let's have a real concerted effort when we're back in September to be in every single day. Let's have a run through to the rest of the attendance league. Mr. Ackerman, Miss Begum, Miss Ruffle. And then we've got Miss Hawkins, Mr. Davison and Miss White. And then in 5th and 4th, we've got Miss Marshall and Miss Percy. In 3rd place, well done to Mrs. Cook's Year 2s. There you go, Miss Musselwhite. Look, there's a year 5 class. Look, okay, up there in second. So come on, you fours, that's what they're expecting. And way out in the lead, there's a reception class still. Miss Hall, those Super Sharks. Really huge congratulations to Miss Hall and those attending reception children. That is phenomenal. We've never had it as a primary school with a reception class. But come on, you year 4s, let's get better when you are year 5s. Come on, let's have a real promise to ourselves, okay? Come on. Here we go. It's mentioned earlier on, Child of the Year. Okay, Miss Barrett. Miss Barrett has chosen a child who has been amazing throughout this year. There's a little video to watch now which describes that child perfectly. Watch this now.
To be the Child of the Year because she always works hard and she is very kind. She's very kind to adults, to other children, and also she's really artistic, and we are always very impressed with her work and we are very proud of her, so well done.
This person is a great creative, sportive friend. She's very, very patient and she's a great member of the class.
Child has been lovely in the class and I've enjoyed every week collecting her reading record and watching her progress so nicely with her reading. It's been a real pleasure spending so much time with her.
This child's a fantastic choice for Child of the Year. I was lucky enough to have her in my class during lockdown, and I'm so impressed by the work that she did and the dedication she had to doing that work really well. I'm also so impressed by the picture that she drew of me.
It's been a really tough decision just choosing one Child of the Year. However, this child has stood out since the beginning of Year 4. They rush into the classroom every day with so much enthusiasm for the day ahead, and that enthusiasm continues all the way throughout the day with every single thing they do, whether that's schoolwork or it's on the playground or it's anything. It's always with so much enthusiasm, and they're just really fun to be around because of that. I also they've really impressed me because no matter who they sit beside and who they work with, they show such incredible patience and kindness for others, and just a really, really diligent child. And I feel very, very proud to choose them as our Child of the Year this year.
Really well done. I know your mum and dad are going to be in floods of tears now after watching that lovely video, and your sister Alinka is going to be so proud of you as well. Huge congratulations, hon. Really well done and well deserved. You have had a brilliant Year 4 and just to set you up ready for Year 5. So huge congrats. Enjoy taking this home today, you absolute Child of the Year. Well done. Superstar. Brilliant. Moving on. Similarly, Mr. Pinner has chosen a child again who has been working so hard throughout this year, non-stop. Enjoy this little video now.
This child really deserves to be the Child of the Year because they have been working very hard in Year 4, even in the lockdown. Their work is always brilliant, and they are always kind to other children and adults. They are also helpful in class, and I'm very proud of them. I really enjoyed teaching them, and I think they really deserve this. So well done, you.
This person has been a real pleasure to have in the class. Always smiling, always happy, always ready to do their best, and I hope they do really well when they go into Year 5.
Our Child of the Year is fantastic. They always have a smile on their face and try hard at everything that they do. They're fantastic work, and even when they find things difficult, they stick at it until they've done it to the best of their ability. Even during lockdown, this child was determined to do their very best. On one occasion, they were very ill, but they still managed to get their work in on time.
Since being asked to come in and teach Mr. Pinner's class, it's been an absolute pleasure to help this child to progress and learn. They never have to be asked to do anything twice. They just learn from every single mistake. They come in every morning with a wonderful smile, a positive attitude, a can-do attitude, and it is a pleasure to be able to teach a pupil who sets such a good example, and I'm sure they will go on to be an amazing pupil for the rest of the time at Marlcross Primary School. Richly deserved. Well done.
This child absolutely deserves to be our Child of the Year.
Olivia! Yes! You absolute superstar. You're amazing, amazing girl. Always smiling, always got a smile on your face. And just, everything that was said about it, absolutely true. What a brilliant year 4 you have had. Set you up. You are so ready for year 5, and others just need to copy you. You just make Mr. Allen's job so much easier because you are amazing. So really well done, Mum and Dad. I know they're going to be in floods of tears, and you just so well deserved. You are such a beautiful and lovely girl. So really, really well done. Well done, both of you, on earning Child of the Year for year 4. Superstars, well done. Finally, just leaves me to say, look, we're here, we're there. Hey, it's the end of term, so what an amazing year we have had. All the ups and downs, but we have made it. We're still smiling, we're still standing, and every child is still smiling as well. Look, enjoy the summer holidays. We absolutely deserve a brilliant summer holiday. Please do keep safe though. Continue to keep safe, because when you guys return as year 5s on Monday the 6th of September, when those gates open at 8:30, it'd be lovely to see all those smiling faces and you guys ready for year 5. And until then, everyone, bye-bye now.